So this is very easy to do and it ends up looking pretty cool. So we're gonna head over to our internet browser first and download Saber. And we're gonna look up Saber Video Copilot. This will also be in the video description. And we'll hit this first link up here. And once you're on Video Copilot's webpage, we'll scroll down. So I'm gonna download the Windows version. Once it's downloaded, you will need WinRAR or 7-zip to unpack this zip. So I'm just gonna click on it here. And there's an installer inside, which we are going to double click. And we'll have a welcome page for our plugin. And we're gonna click I agree. And I am on After Effects 2023, which is already selected, and we'll hit install. And that's it. So we'll hit finish and I'll minimize this and the website. And now I'm gonna open up After Effects. Alright, so I made a new project and now I'm going to make a new composition. I just do 1920 by 1080, something rather generic. And then in the composition name, I'll do neon effect. Now, once we have our composition, you can click Control T or click on your text icon up here and you'll get text. We'll type in something like neon art. I'm actually going to make this a centered paragraph. I'm just going to center it so we can see it a little better and turn off the transparency grid. So here's our text. It's just basic text that you would have in After Effects. And the next thing we're going to do is click Control Y in our composition, and that will create a new solid. So what I'm going to name it is I'll do Saber effect. And OK. And here in our effects and presets, I'm going to look up Saber. And I'm going to double click it and it will add it to our selected solid layer, or you could drag it over. And over here on the effect controls, you'll see all these different options and different things you can change. And you'll see that it's kind of confusing because there's just one line right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is on preset, I'm going to go down and I'm going to do neon. Now you can obviously mess with this. There's a variety of different options and there's a lot that you can do with this. And the next thing is we're going to go to customize core, and in core type, we're going to go to text layer. And in text layer, we're going to select where it is, which is on number 2. This is our text neon art. And there it is. Now you'll see the glow intensity is a little heavy, so I'll go up here and I'll change it to something like 12. And that looks a lot better. And the next thing you want to do, if I disable the solid layer, you'll see that obviously nothing is there, but you'll also see that it's not transparent. So if you want it to be transparent, we'll go to render settings, composite settings down here, and we'll go to transparent. And then when we turn on the transparency grid, you'll see it is transparent. You'll also see that the text is solid, it's filled. So if you disable the neon art text over here, you'll see that it is just kind of like the stroke of it, and it looks to me a little better, but that's totally up to you. And again, all these settings, you can do whatever you want, change the color. I honestly think it looks pretty great and it's fairly simple to do. So if you experiment, you can get some really cool results. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.